Thinking of renting or just received your Easy Install kit? Great, let me show you how it works. When it arrives, it will be locked like this. You'll have been emailed the combination. The combination starts from the end nearest the shackle. There is an indicator on the side of the lock to show where the digits are dialed to. Simply dial it up, pull the lock open, swing it around and remove it. Once the lock is taken off, you can unlatch the case and open it. Inside you'll find the Milwaukee stapler with the battery installed, a battery charger, and if you purchase staples you'll find those in there as well. The battery will have been charged before it leaves us so that your stapler is ready to go. To see how much battery charge the battery has, simply pull the trigger and observe the lights on the side of the stapler. 4 red lights indicates a fully charged battery. Removing, charging and refitting the battery from the stapler looks like this. Simply squeeze the grip tabs on either side of the neck of the battery, give it a little wiggle and it just comes out. Plug the charger into a power outlet and insert the battery into the top of the charger. The red light indicates charging. When the battery is fully charged, the green light will come on. Allow the battery to fully charge before its next use. Once fully charged, remove it from the charger and simply push it into the stapler until it clicks. The stapler has a safety mechanism. When there are no staples in the magazine, the safety mechanism will not push in and the stapler will not fire. To load the staples, pinch the back of the magazine and pull it open. Lay the staples flat into the magazine with the legs facing yourself. Push the magazine all the way back in until it clicks. Now your stapler is ready to staple. The stapler will not fire until the mechanism is depressed. To operate the stapler, push it firmly into the insulation and pull the trigger. Pushing firmly is required in order to achieve a well-embedded staple. The stapler has a firing strength adjustment. To adjust the firing strength, wind the dial towards the plus sign to fire harder and towards a minus sign to reduce the firing strength. If you have hardwood joists, you may need to increase the firing strength of the stapler. The indicator between the plus and the minus symbols shows the current strength setting. The more black that is visible in the indicator, the harder the firing strength. The more red that is visible, the less the firing strength. It's important to keep the case clean, so be sure to clean your stapler before replacing it in the case. To clean the stapler, simply wipe it with a damp cloth. If needed, you can use a mild soapy solution on the cloth. The important thing is that the stapler must not be submerged in water or any other liquid. To pack your stapler for return, remove any staples from the magazine, close the magazine, ensure the battery is fitted into the stapler and put it back in the case. The case should also contain your battery charger. Any unopened, undamaged boxes of staples may be returned in the case for a refund. Opened or damaged boxes of staples may be returned if you wish, however they cannot be refunded. To lock the case, close the lid, click the latches shut, take the lock and place it in one of the holes in the corner of the case, swing the lock around and click it shut, rotate the combination dials. It should now be locked and is ready for shipping.